Welcome to Sarabgarh Dam and Nature Camp is a serene retreat located in breathtaking landscape of Sundargarh district, Odisha. This picturesque destination is a perfect gateway for nature lovers, adventure seekers, and anyone looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. Join us as you explore the beauty, adventure, and tranquility that Sarabgarh has to offer. Sarabgarh Dam, located near the village of Badunjharia, is an irrigation project that has transformed into the thriving tourist destination. It is about 38 kilometers from the Sundargarh town and 50 kilometers from Jharsuguda town and 114 kilometers from the Sambalpur town. With its calm waters, lush greenery, and surrounding hill, this spot is truly a slice of paradise. The Sarabgarh Nature Camp, spread over 7 acres, is the heart of ecotourism here. It offers cozy air-conditioned cottage and tent situated on the top hill, providing panoramic views of the reservoir and surrounding forest. The nature camp ensures a comfortable and enjoyable stay with all modern facilities. The cottage and the tents are well equipped, and the staff here go above and beyond to make your visit memorable. Delicious vegetarian and non-vegetarian meals are included in the package along with the evening snack and tea. The nature camp also features a beautiful park, a vibrant flower garden, and even a water fountain that adds to a touch of wisdom to the surroundings. And if you are looking for a spiritual retreat, there is a serene Shiv temple right here. For the adventure enthusiasts, Sarabgarh offers plenty of activity. You can go boating on the tranquil reservoir, trek through the scenic trails, or enjoy a rope activity right here at the camp. Boating on the Sarabgarh reservoir is a must. The floating jetty offers a unique perspective of the dam water, and the peaceful water make this experience truly magical. The forests around the Sarabgarh are home to fascinating wildlife, including the leopards, elephants, barking deer, and migratory birds. It is a paradise for nature lovers and bird watchers. It is also a great spot for picnics. Spread a blanket, unpack your food, and let the gentle breeze and lapping water take your stress away. While you are here, do not miss the nearby attractions like Usakoti Caves, famous for their ancient rock painting, or Koilugor, a beautiful spot with the waterfalls and a serene river just 60 kilometers from the camp. It is also a great spot for picnics. Spread a blanket, unpack your food, and let the gentle breeze and lapping water take your stress away. Getting here is easy. The nearest bus stop is Sundargarh, just 39 kilometers away. If you are traveling by train, Jharsuguda railway station is 16 kilometers from the dam. And for air travel, the Bir Surendra Sahib Airport in Jharsuguda is just 50 kilometers away. The best time to visit Sarabgarh is during the winter, from October to February, when the weather is pleasant and the landscape are at their most vibrant. So whether you are seeking adventure, peace, or a family retreat, Sarabgarh Dam and Nature Camp has its all. From breathtaking views to thrilling activities and rich wildlife, this serene retreat in Odisha is waiting to be explored. Plan your visit, pack your bags, and get ready to create unforgettable memories in the lap of nature. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventure. See you in the next video. Thank you.